You have 5 seconds to remember the location of the hidden items. Where is the Dr. Pepper? Where is the Red Bull? Where is the Panta? Please like the video if you get first 3 answers correct. Where is the Coca-Cola? Where is the Pepsi? What is missing? If you remember, write in the comments and I will like it.